Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video on self-love. Self-love is an incredibly important aspect of overall well-being and happiness, yet it can often be difficult to cultivate. In this video, we're going to explore what self-love is, why it's important, and some techniques you can use to practice self-love in your own life. So, what exactly is self-love? Self-love is the act of caring for, valuing, and accepting oneself. It's about treating ourselves with kindness, compassion, and respect, and recognizing our own worth and potential. When we love ourselves, we are more confident, resilient, and able to navigate challenges and setbacks with grace and strength. But why is self-love so important? For one, it's essential for our overall well-being and happiness. When we love ourselves, we are more likely to make positive choices for our physical, mental, and emotional health. Additionally, self-love can have a ripple effect on our relationships and career. When we have a positive relationship with ourselves, we are better able to form healthy and fulfilling relationships with others, and we are more likely to pursue our goals and dreams with confidence and determination. Unfortunately, there are a number of barriers that can prevent us from loving ourselves. Some common barriers include negative self-talk, perfectionism, and a reliance on external validation. These barriers can be overcome with self-awareness and self-compassion. By recognizing and acknowledging these negative thought patterns, we can start to shift our perspective and choose more loving and supportive thoughts. So, how can we practice self-love in our daily lives? There are a wide range of techniques that can be helpful in cultivating self-love. Some simple self-care activities, such as taking a warm bath or going for a walk, can help us feel more grounded and connected to ourselves. Affirmations, or positive statements that we repeat to ourselves, can also be a powerful tool for shifting our mindset and building self-love. Setting boundaries and saying no to commitments that don't align with our values and goals is also an important aspect of self-love. In conclusion, self-love is an essential component of overall well-being and happiness. By recognizing and overcoming common barriers to self-love and incorporating self-care techniques into our daily lives, we can cultivate a positive and loving relationship with ourselves. Remember, self-love is not a destination, but rather a journey. It takes time and practice, but the rewards are well worth it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel inspired to make self-love a priority in your life. If you have any additional thoughts or resources on self-love, please share them in the comments section below. Take care.